this is Jessica from ShapeFit.com, and today I will be doing a complete review of the BodyBoss system. The BodyBoss system is the world's first portable gym, making it easy to get your workout done. So let's start with the boxing. What's in the box? Well, first off, there's a bag for storage. I was kind of like wondering, hey, is all of this going to fit in that little bag? Well, let's find out. Next, we have the handles. As you can see, there's a ring on each end, and I'll show you later how that works. Next, we have another attachment, which is the door anchor. That is pretty nifty. We'll see that later too. And we have the Velcro strap-ons for the ankles and for your wrist. Lastly, this is kind of the meat of the BodyBoss, which are your bands. There's 2 of those, and you'll see how those work later. And you have another workout attachment, which is the bar. That's only half the bar. Here's the other half. Pretty easy because you just screw one bar into another and you have a full bar. Now underneath, you'll see, actually the most important part I think, is the warranty. So if anything happens, you can register it and get replacements. And another important feature is the guide. Here you have all the different exercises you can do and the different attachments and how to use them. Then here is the base of the BodyBoss. It's really light, easy to use, open and close, has handles on the top. So all of this, except for the base, should fit into this bag. And that's what I was questioning. How easy and portable is this system? So I started putting in all the different pieces, and what I found was not only was there enough room for all of the different pieces, but in the end, there was enough room so I could put a water bottle, I could put my keys in there, I could put my phone in there. I had enough room for everything. So that was really important to make it portable if I wanted to go somewhere else and work out. Also, how heavy is this thing? Not heavy at all. Super light. So that was really important when I was reviewing the unbox. So first thing you gotta do, you gotta set it up. And I decided this was gonna be my scene for working out. Beautiful water view. So here we go. Making sure it's flat and also reviewing those workout scenarios. Which one are you gonna do? And then setting up first with the bar. See how easy it is to screw it in one to another. Now the bands, kind of the base for the whole system. So you hook those in. I chose number 3. Really easy to hook in and in place, and then you've got the bar. So you just hook it onto the bar. So really easy to assemble. I really like that about the BodyBoss, is that now I've got my bar assembled. So first, I'm starting with bicep curls. So making sure that I have good form, that's equally important. However, what I did notice is, as you can see, I'm smiling. Normally when I'm working out, I'm not smiling, but there's a lot of slack there in those bands. So I was thinking, well, okay, maybe I'm just not working hard enough. So I tried to figure out a workaround. So then I just doubled up on the bands. I'm thinking, okay, well, this will work. And I used a different attachment here just to see how it would work. And then I was like, okay, well, this should work. And then I couldn't even lift it. It was super hard. I had to use 2 hands, and I'm like, this is not working. So then I tried just a different workout altogether, and I did the shoulder press. There, definitely could feel some tension in there, but then again, I'm making more slack in those bands. So anytime you use the slack and you create more slack, no problem. Here, I'm trying to balance myself on the base. Another important thing to remember is to equally distribute your weight. But what I needed to do was lift off on the slack to do that. So squats, here we go with squats. Good form, I felt pretty good. Then again, I'm thinking this is pretty easy. I definitely need to have a challenge. So then I tried the lunges. So the lunges are like the one-legged lunges that we typically do. Then again, though, I didn't feel very secure because the sides of the platform were going up. So I felt not as secure, but lunges are good. So pretty good with the lunges. Not sure about the challenge and the form as far as using the bands. So then, easy to take off. Everything is. Unhook it, quick, easy, just like I'm showing in the video. I'm not fast forwarding, although I look like I'm moving fast. Did not do that. So once again, hooking on the handles for this part. It's great to be able to switch exercises that easily. So now, bicep curls were actually not one of the recommendations on that startup guide. So I just thought I would try it. And obviously you can see lots of slack. I'm smiling again. I'm kind of looking sarcastic, like, ooh, this is pretty easy. Well, yeah, it is really easy. So maybe you're not supposed to do bicep curls with it. However, when you're doing this exercise, the shoulder press, it's challenging. So I can definitely see a difference. However, I'm wondering what's going to happen when I need more of a challenge. This is another way of doing it. So I have the lateral raise. The lateral raise is great. I definitely feel tension with the bands. However, I'm wondering, once I do this for a while, where's my challenge going to be? Because I want to be able to grow. Cross chop. Great for the core. Feel a little bit in the shoulders. So that was pretty good. But once again, where's the challenge? Where's the room to grow? I do think that having different bands would be helpful. I'll talk about that more later. Now the ankle strap. So once I'm on doing the kneeling glute kickbacks, I'm on my hands, my knees, balance, really good. However, when I stood up and doing the standing glute kickbacks, that was challenging. So here is one thing. I think they just sent me the wrong thing. I don't know. But when I tried to Velcro the strap on, the hook for the bands, was on the other side. This one, the hook was in the right place. No problem. This one, it's underneath my wrist in a weird place. Not thinking that's right. But I still managed to get it on, and I did another shoulder press exercise. So this is like an alternative. That worked out really well. I just punched it up and worked out really well doing that. Now, for all you Taibo fans out there, the boxing punch, remember Billy Blanks? Here we go, doing those Taibo exercises. He used to make us work out so hard back in the day. Cross body punch. I definitely feel some tension here in the cross body punch. So here's one of my favorite tools. This is the door handle attachment. So you basically put it in your door and you do a workout with it. So putting on the bands once again, and here it's better because you can kind of adjust how much effort you have to put in. This is chest flies. So all I have to do is just step out or step in depending on the level of effort. Chest press. Once again, I adjust how hard it is based on the distance. And here's another one, the cable crunch. That concludes my review of the BodyBoss Total Workout System. Thanks for watching. See you next time.